Oh, we're back. And we're up another fucking 7 bands in total on the fucking day. All right, we're back. It's like 3 in the morning. I low-key didn't make a recap for this day, so I was low-key slacking, so now I'm up at 3 a.m. making this recap to make it up to y'all. I think I'm gonna also make the funded video, go over like pretty much like all the trades I took on the fundeds, what I went through to pass them in order to get a payout and everything, how long it took, win rate, just go over like literally everything on the fundeds on a different video on their own. But pretty much just gonna be a recap for Thursday, November 13th. Nasdaq short coming into market. I was already having a bearish bias pretty much. Yeah, I was pretty much so after this big dump, I was marking out different points of liquidity that we could sell off from again. And what do you know? You look at the little points of liquidity, we have a high right here. We went to seek that high, we manipulated that shit. And on top of that, we had core inflation rate on Wednesday. We had PPI on Thursday. So my initial plan was to swing shorts through all of it, but I ended up only swinging through that day, I believe, and then I just full ported 0 DTE on this day on PPI because I was like, fuck it, we're going towards this sell side liquidity. I don't give a fuck. All right. The higher time frame sell side liquidity down here, which is this higher time frame 4 hour low, which that would be sought out if that's what's going to happen. If we're seeking lows, that's the low that's going to be sought out. You feel me? And yeah, let's see. Pretty sure there was like a 1 hour confluence somewhere. Um, yeah, right here, like a breaker block, order block, this high right here, high off of the order block. I've been noticing that recently, like the highs on like this candle of the order blocks, those like usually get wicked above and then it goes like to the other direction. If that makes any sense. Like right here, for example, there's an order block right here, high right here, we wick above it. I feel like that's to like, I feel like they do that to stop traders out because a lot of traders will enter inside this order block with their stops up there. That's like what I used to do a lot, and I would get stopped out fucking hella, bro. And it would piss me the fuck off because then it would go in my direction, you know? Like, bro. But anyway, let's go into the lower time frames on this. Pretty much, we had my setup form. We had a negative SMT. Then we also had a market structure shift right here. We formed a new POI, pretty much just entered in the new POI and targeted the next opposing liquidity, which was this giant ass area right here. Oh yeah, this like gap fill pretty much. Oh, I just moved that shit. I don't even know where the fuck that was, low-key. I don't even know. But yeah, this pretty much this giant ass opening gap right here. I think that's what my TP was. Just like these lows. This high right here actually. It's like 610. I think I even TP'd before then. But anyway, let's get to the yeah, so your TP sell side liquidities would be this high right here and then the higher time frame low, which all that got hit pretty much. So and like all the this trade itself went like 2000%, I believe, but I only got around 200, 250, somewhere around there. But yeah, let's pull up the all the proof and I'll show you the funded profits as well. Let's see here. All right, so this is the Robinhood on that day. So this is that setup. These are the contracts I took. These were the swings I was talking about the Friday. These were the Friday contracts I was swinging, and this was just the full port 0 DTE right here. Um, yeah, we were up. pretty much 3,800 on the Robinhood itself on that day. It could have been, I believe, up to like 12K if I held it all the way to full TP, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, you feel me? I know how fast this shit can just get liquidated. Um, and then hold on. For further proof, I'll like log into my Robinhood and go to my history and shit. I showed it on my last video, but I just want full transparency, you feel me, with y'all. I know y'all want that too. Cause I don't wanna like have anyone thinking I'm like faking shit. Cause that's when I get pissed, is when my hard work gets like um what's it called? Like degraded, you feel me? Or questioned. It's like, motherfucker, I just worked 5 fucking years for this shit. You better not fucking tell me like some bullshit. Like hell no. Hold on. Let me it should only take like 2 more seconds. I just want to make sure I show you all the proof. I didn't know it was fucking logged out. But yeah, this is the Robin Hood. I opened this shit on fucking Wednesday, bro. And we're already at fucking almost 10 bands. So fucking cooked. Let's go to the history. Is my history not gonna load, bro? Please, there you go. I was about to say. Let me find it. November 13th, yeah, right here. There's that. Try to find my fill price. I got some at 0.13, bro. That's crazy. That's really like a 500% gain uh, if I got them all at this fill price. That's crazy. But yeah, there's that proof. Quickly go over the fundeds for that day. Uh, I don't even think there is anything on this. There's the calendar on here. So on this one, we were 2,500 on that day. This one wasn't even started yet. And then this one was just like a base hit, $342. I mean, I don't really want to go too deep into analysis on these trades because these are just like mainly 1 minute trades on Asia session. Just to like, I don't know. They just be like 1 minute basic market structure trades. Just like if market's bullish right now or bearish, this market structure should flow. You feel me? And I'd be taking some of the Robinhood trades on there too. It's just I feel like New York is decently risky for fundeds. You feel me? That shit can be moving hundreds of points in like a few minutes. You feel me? But Asia session, it's pretty chill. Well, there was this one, I think it was last week I caught. I don't even think it was this account. Which one is it? Oh no, it is this account. Where is it? Where's my execution, bro? Cooked. But like it was like a 7 band trade I caught. Let's see if it's on here. Total P&L fucking 13 bands on this one, bro. But yeah, I caught like a crazy ass trade on that day. It was like a fucking, I think 120 pip or 120 point move. That shit was nuts. And I had 2 contracts. But yeah, there's a recap for November 13th. Total P&L. Let's see my calculator. Total P&L across the fundeds and the Robinhood on that day was $7,667.85. Fuck you, Nasdaq. Anyway, I still have hella more bread to make from this market, to take back from this market. Um, y'all do too. Y'all stay on that grind. Don't stop this shit. Don't stop it until you rinse this fucking market. You know you got something in this market. You know you got an edge. Just keep grinding, keep pushing. Me, myself, personally, I'm gonna be transparent right now. Like, I was just blowing accounts like a week or two ago. I was literally just blowing accounts a week or two ago. And I've been blowing accounts for years. You feel me? I've been doing this for over 5 years at this point. So crazy. But yeah, anyway, up 13K on one of the fundeds. And then one of them, that one's just started 1300, and this one's 9.5K. Other than that, stay safe on the charts, hit some banger ass trades. I want to see them. Keep a like on the video, subscribe. I'm gonna keep posting. I'm gonna post more. I'm gonna try to post daily, like trade recaps and stuff like that. It's just sometimes, I don't know, I just don't want to get like too cocky, you feel me? I feel like that's when I start losing, is when I start getting too cocky. But I say I'm chilling right now. I've been locking in on my just like all my trading habits, if I'm being honest. I've been implementing stops actually. I've been using trailing stops and profit stops. And before this, I would just let shit run to zero or below the account. Like I wouldn't even run a stop. And that was, and mind you, that was literally a month ago, bro. 1 month ago. And now look at this shit. Got three expresses. Two of them already got paid out. Total of 7.5K. My Robinhood's at fucking almost 10K. Like, I don't know. But just keep grinding. You got this in you. And I'll see y'all next time.